What is 5S? 5S is a workplace organization system that has 5 different elements: sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain. It originates from a popular Japanese lean methodology called Kaizen that was made famous by Toyota. Sort is the first step in any 5S initiative, and it is all about cleaning up the workplace and removing all excess waste. This starts by identifying material that is no longer used, is scrap, surplus, or may never be required again. Set is the second step in 5S, where we set everything in order. Here, we redesign the work area in an organized fashion. The idea is that there is a place for everything, and everything is in its place. Shine is where we get the place to sparkle. We have sorted the unwanted material and set everything in place, so now we do an extensive clean of the work area. We sweep, we scrub, we clean light bulbs, we paint floors, and we start to build some real pride in our work environment. Step 4 is where we standardize. Here we are setting standards for where material is stored, how it is labeled, and how the space will look at the end of each shift. Essentially, we are setting the standards to maintain what we have done and making sure that everyone meets those standards. The final and most important step in 5S is where we sustain the initiative. We have attained a clean and professional environment that is more organized, is safer, and is a source of pride for everyone on the team. In some organizations, they talk about 6S, which commonly includes safety. Why should we implement 5S in our workplace? Whether it is at work or at home, we all benefit when we make the best use of our available space. We use cutlery drawers in our kitchen because it makes it easier to find a knife, and it is safer to reach into a drawer and get that knife when it is properly stored. The same holds true in an industrial environment. When we sort our material, we know what we have and what we don't have. When we set items in our space, we are more productive because it takes less time to find tools or parts or documentation. When it shines, we have a source of pride in our work and the people that we work with. When we standardize, our entire team knows what to do and how to do it. And finally, when we sustain our 5S approach, we feel good that we have done something that will live on and not be a flavor of the month. How do we implement 5S into our organization? There are a number of keys to implementing any change in an organization, and 5S is no different. Start small by selecting one area that will be the pilot for a 5S implementation. The old adage of one bite at a time certainly applies to 5S. Your pilot may be the worst area of the business and can be as small as one person's desk or workspace. Maybe you want to start in the receiving department. This is a critical area and one where organization is key. Give the team a clear understanding of what's in it for me. They need to see the value of 5S and why you are even doing it. Reach out to other members of Mro Academy and get photos of what a 5S work area looks like. Have the team discuss how good they feel when they clean out their garage or toolbox or pantry at home. Get them on the team right from the start. Take photos of the current state. You want to be able to capture what the area looked like before you got started. These photos are extremely powerful as you can show a before and after view of the workspace. The first 3 steps of 5S are best tackled using a blitz approach. Dedicate a few days to sort, set, and shine. Get everyone involved and make it fun. Have a plan ahead of time on what you will do with material that you don't need. Tape off areas in your workspace for keep it and toss it. Don't leave room for deal with it later. You will never get to shine if you don't purge the stuff you really don't need. Now we are going to make the place shine. We need plenty of cleaning supplies. Brooms, mops, tape, and paint are key ingredients here. You will be amazed at what happens in a workspace when you clean fluorescent light bulbs and light housings and paint the floor. Create accountability for who is responsible for what, while making sure that the team knows that we all need to contribute to success. Standardizing is about determining rules for replenishing supplies, when the trash is emptied, and that our shift is not over until absolutely everything is back in its proper place. Sustaining a 5S program requires leadership from the top all the way to the bottom of the organization. Start by having a cake cutting ceremony when you launch the new workspace. Take photos and share the news. Write something for the company newsletter. Make sure that no one walks past a piece of trash on the floor without picking it up. Capture stories from people on the team on how much easier their work is, how much safer they're able to be, and how they feel good when they walk in the door every morning and see a clean and professional work environment. Good luck, and thanks for watching.